Hello students, we know successive differentiation. Now we learn some standard results of finding the nth derivative of a given function. Now we find what is the nth derivative of y is equal to ax plus b raised to m. We find what is the nth derivative of sin ax plus b, or what is the nth derivative of cos of ax plus b, or what is the nth derivative of e raised to ax into sin of bx plus c, or cx plus d, or e raised to ax into cos of bx plus c. So we see some standard results, or what is the nth derivative of e raised to ax. So we see one by one. First, find the nth derivative of y is equal to ax plus b raised to m, where m is positive integer. Where m is positive integer. Solution. Now by mathematical process, you find its first derivative, you find its second derivative, you find its third derivative, and you find its nth derivative. So what is given? You have given y is equal to ax plus b raised to m. So you differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, so you get the first derivative, y1 is equal to, so m is positive, ax plus b raised to m. So its first derivative is m into ax plus b, ax plus b raised to m minus 1 into derivative of ax plus b with respect to x. B is constant, its derivative with respect to x is 0, and derivative of ax is a, because derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Therefore, m into a into ax plus b raised to m minus 1. Again you differentiate this, you get y2, or y1 means dy by dx, y2 means d2y by dx square is equal to m, again ax plus b raised to m minus 1, its derivative is m minus 1 into ax plus b raised to m minus 2 into derivative of ax plus b means a, and this a and a square. Therefore m into m minus 1 into a square into ax plus b raised to m minus 2. Again you differentiate this, you get third derivative, y3 is equal to m into m minus 1 into derivative of this m minus 2 into x plus b raised to m minus 3 into derivative of x plus b means a, and a into a square means a cube into ax plus b raised to m minus 3. Similarly, you find fourth derivative, fifth derivative, and so on. In succession, we find its nth derivative. Yn is equal to, or yn means this is the nth derivative of ax plus b raised to m. m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3. Here you see here 3, y3, here m minus 2. Suppose here m minus n minus 1. So up to the m minus n minus 1. into here y3, here a raised to 3 means here a raised to n into ax plus b raised to here 3, here m minus 3, here 3 means here m minus n. Suppose this is 1. Or this can be written as m into m minus 1, m minus 2 up to the here m minus n, and minus minus become plus 1 a raised to n into ax plus b raised to m minus n. Yn is equal to this. Suppose this is equation number 1. I will draw it here. Now, this is the nth derivative, no doubt, but we make some arrangement. Here m into m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus n minus 1. So, this can be written as therefore yn. Yn means nth derivative of x plus b raised to m is equal to m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3 up to the m minus n plus 1. But this can be written as, so you divide and multiply m minus n, m minus n minus 1, m minus n minus 2 up to the 3 into 2 into 1. So here again you divide m minus n, m minus n minus 1 up to the m minus n minus 2, 3 into 2 into 1. Now in this expression, m minus n plus 1, 2, 3 into 2 into 1. So you divide and multiply. So here into a raised to n into ax plus b raised to m minus n as it is. So in numerator m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3 up to the 3 into 2 into 1. So what is this? This is the m factorial or factorial m upon m minus n, m minus n minus 1, m minus n minus 2 up to the 3 into 2 into 1. What is this? This is the m minus n factorial into a raised to n into ax plus b raised to m minus n. So this is the nth derivative of, so this is the nth derivative of y means ax plus b raised to m is equal to yn is equal to this. So this is the standard formula for finding the nth derivative of ax plus b raised to m. Factorial m upon m minus n factorial into a raised to n into ax plus b raised to m minus n. So this is the standard formula. Now, what is yn? Yn is the nth derivative of ax plus b raised to m. If you put m is equal to minus 1 in equation 1, putting m is equal to minus 1 in equation 1, we get, so what we get? Nth derivative of y is equal to ax plus b raised to m. Ax plus b raised to m is equal to minus 1. means you get 1 upon ax plus b. Derivative of n, the derivative of 1 upon ax plus b is equal to m is minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 up to the m is equal to minus 1 minus n plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 into a raised to n into ax plus b raised to m is minus 1 minus n. So is equal to, so you take minus common, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to the n times minus 1 minus 1 raised to n into 1 into 2 into 3 up to the into n into a raised to n into ax plus b raised to, you take minus common, n plus 1. So this can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 up to n means previous term of n is n minus 1, no doubt. So this is the factorial n. Therefore factorial n into minus 1 raised to n into a raised to n upon, so x plus b raised to minus this can be written as 1 upon, so upon ax plus b raised to n plus 1. Therefore nth derivative of 1 upon ax plus b is equal to factorial n into minus 1 raised to n into a raised to n upon ax plus b raised to n plus 1. You put any value of n is equal to 10, n is equal to 100, 1000. So using this formula, you can find its derivative, nth derivative or 15th derivative or 100th derivative. So using this formula, we see some examples in next lecture. So we stop here. Thank you.